Hey, how's it going? Okay, in this video, we're going to be looking at glitch effects on text in Premiere Pro. Really simple, just using a couple of different effects here and there, just tweaking them with keyframes and things like that. Should look something like what you're seeing right now on the screen. And it's going to take us a couple of minutes, so let's just get stuck straight in. Okay, here we are in our project. We've got a background layer and we've got a text layer. So up in effects, if we search for wave warp and just apply that to our layer, double click it or drag and drop it down onto it, you can see we've got a wave going on there. I'm just going to come up here to change that to square. I'm going to change my wave height to 0, and then I'm going to set keyframes on height, width, direction, speed and phase. I'm going to come forwards 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to start putting in some different values just along, just kind of messing around with things. 1, 2, 3 again. Maybe minus. Then 1, 2, 3. So I will generally just mess around with some values just to kind of see what I end up with, and if I like it at the end of it, I'll keep it. If not, I'll just go back to that keyframe that I don't like and change things up just until you get an effect that you're happy with. But I'm just going to set that back to 0 to reset. And then click reset parameters on the other keyframes to bring them all back down. And then if we just hit play on that, we got a nice little glitch effect going on there. That's pretty cool. So if we go to wave warp, copy, right click and then paste, you'll see we've now got 2 of these. So I'm going to change the wave type on this one to smooth noise. I'm going to leave the keyframes all the same. And then I'm going to paste another one. And I'm going to change this one to just noise, and we'll see how that goes. We've got an extra little bit there. That's pretty cool. Yeah, so that's pretty much a really simple kind of glitchy effect going on there. You can add some more color tweaks and things like that. If you just type in VR into effects, you'll get this chromatic aberrations, and if we apply that, you'll see that gives us this kind of coloring changes going on. I would come to the last frame where we want our text to return to normal, go back 1 frame and click a keyframe on aberration red, blue and fall off distance, and come forwards 1 and then set these values to 0. So then if we watch that, we can see we've got that coloring, and then when our text is normal, that's gone. If we come here to transform, come back to the start and we click a keyframe on position, skew axis and rotation. Grab your playhead, hold the mouse in and shift, and it'll jump to the first keyframe. And then you can start playing around with these values as well, just to kind of move it around on screen a little bit. Oh, let's put that to -3, see how that goes, and then bring that forwards, maybe 1925. And again, this is just playing about with things to see how it looks, see how you think it feels, and if you like it, great. If you don't, tweak it and just keep going. So I'll then just come back and reset all of these to where they're supposed to be. And it just kind of gives us that little bit of extra life. And that's pretty much it. Job done. Good work. And I'll catch you in the next one.